Is anyone on the line? That was Michael. And Michael, what's your last name?
Lingwall.
Lingwall, Lingwall, correct?
Correct.
And what's your position with Prestige?
Managing member.
Ready to begin? And Mr. Lingwall, you're ready as well?
I am.
Okay, great. Mr. Lee, you ready? Okay. For the record, today is Tuesday, March 28th, 2017. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and this is the date and time set for the hearing in the matter of the application of Prestige Broadband, LLC, for a Certificate of Public Convenience and Necessity to provide switched and dedicated facilities-based local exchange and facilities-based interexchange services excuse me, within the state of Utah. This is docket number 17-2595-01. Let's put appearances on the record. Prestige Broadband is being represented telephonically. Go ahead, Mr. Lingwall, and state your name and position for the record.
Michael Lingwall, managing member.
And the division is also here and represented. Go ahead.
Good morning. This is Justin Jetter with the Utah Attorney General's Office. I am here today representing the Utah Division of Public Utilities. And with me in the hearing room at the council table is Ron Slusher, a utility technical consultant for the Utah Division of Public Utilities.
Thank you. And who came on the line, please?
This is Chris Toomey, counsel for Prestige Broadband.
Thank you. All right. Well then, Mr. Toomey, as you are counsel for Prestige Broadband, I'll go ahead and turn the floor to you and let you put on the record whatever it is that you would like the commission to consider in particular. Will you be having Mr. Lingwall testify?
Briefly.
Okay, then Mr. Lingwall, do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Toomey.
Thank you very much. This application is brought before the commission for a certificate of public convenience and necessity. Mr. Lingwall, can you confirm that the information that was presented in the application is still true and correct today?
Yes, it is.
I have no further questions.
Does the division have any questions for Mr. Lingwall?
No questions from the division. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, then Mr. Jetter, go ahead with whatever you'd like to put on the record today.
Thank you. The division would like to call and have sworn Ron Slusher.
Mr. Slusher, do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Mr. Slusher, would you please state your name and occupation for the record?
My name is Ron Slusher, spelled S-L-U-S-H-E-R. I'm a utility technical consultant for the Division of Public Utilities.
Thank you. And in the course of your employment with the Utah Division of Public Utilities, have you had the opportunity to review the application filed by Prestige Broadband in this docket?
Yes, I have.
And based on that review and other information from your personal knowledge and interactions with the company, did you create and cause to be filed with the commission a memorandum dated March 15th, 2017?
Yes, I did.
And does the recommendations made in that memorandum remain the recommendation of the division?
Yes, it does.
And finally, do you believe that approval of the application would be just, reasonable, and in the public interest?
Yes.
One more question. Are you aware of any opposition to this application?
I have not heard or seen any opposition.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Mr. Toomey, do you have any questions for Mr. Slusher? Mr. Toomey, are you still with us? Mr. Lingwall, are you there on the line?
I am.
Is there anything you would like to ask Mr. Slusher today?
No, not at this time.
Okay, and can I just confirm specifically that Prestige will not be collecting any prepayments or customer deposits?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you. Then I believe I have what I need. Is there anything else the division would like to put on the
This
record?
is,
Is that Mr. Toomey back with us?
yeah, I apologize if the call dropped. I have no questions for Mrs. Fletcher.
Thank you. Well, then I believe I have what I need. Anything more, Mr. Jetter?
Nothing from the division, thank you.
Thank you. So I will be working on this order today, and it should issue shortly. Thank you all very much.
Great, thank you.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.